Hey everyone, Carlos here. Man, I think it's time for me to step in front of the curtain. I've been behind the scenes for way too long and just been letting you guys have the fun. So I think it's time I join the party. And that makes me so excited.
So excited! So excited!
Here's the lowdown. I used to work in the financial industry. I was a licensed firm principal in a National Futures Association regulated company. Our firm managed people's money. We had a few $1 million under management, not big in any sense of the way, but for us, it represented a good chunk of change. So even though the money was great, the stress that came with it was not. I mean, I enjoy all the operational part of it. I enjoyed creating it. I enjoyed everything that came with it. Talking to people, hanging out. The part I didn't like was that we were so transparent that every day anybody could log into their account and see exactly what the trades were and what were happening. So this led to a lot of phone calls every day. I'm like, oh my God, are we okay? And then at the end of the month, everything would be fine. So that just wasn't what I wanted. And after a brief stint in the hospital, the doctor said, if you keep like this, you're not gonna be here for much longer. So I decided that it was time for a change. That change meant getting into a totally different industry, which still allowed me to be creative, to hang out with people, to have all the operational side, which I loved, but away from all the stress. Now, COVID came, and when COVID hit, just like all of you guys, started getting back into trading, started going onto chat rooms in the trading platforms that were out there. And one of those traders that were there kind of sparked my interest. I got to know him a little bit better. Turns out he was an ex-hedge fund manager, and right now just enjoyed telling people, what he was doing and all of his experience. So that resonated with me. Turns out we live basically close to each other. So one day we got together and I saw a great business opportunity. If we teamed up, we could help people and we could build a good business. So it was a win-win for everybody. So our platform, 349 Trading, was born. From there, things didn't go exactly as planned. We had a lot of bumps in the road and we didn't see eye to eye many times on it, but that's just, growing pains. So we lost a lot of people on the way, and now we rebranded. We've brought some people on, which we have Love, we have Romeo, and we're looking to do it the right way this time. We'll be having some guests on. The thing is, I just want to make sure that we give you guys value, we have fun together, we do, this the right way. And if I'm going to say that we're going to do it the right way, I have to be involved and I have to be here in front of it for you guys to see what we're doing. Now, enough about me and what I've done. I want to talk about you guys. Why are you here? You're here, I believe, because you want to be a better trader. You want to stop losing money in the market. But you really have to understand the basics in order to do that. And the basics are not only trading principles, but the basics are always up here as well. I mean, from my experience in the companies that I had before, is your mental game has to be there. And if it's not, oh my God, your mind can play so many tricks on you and you will make mistake after mistake after mistake. We all make mistakes and it's fine. I once bought a stock just because it had the same name as my dog. Not my finest moment. But hey, if we learn from our mistakes, they're all right. Come on, Tesla. So buckle up, Buttercup, and watch this video up here because that's going to help you a lot on this journey.